strategies and things that you can try in the classroom, right? With this idea in mind, that we want to make sure that we're protecting that cognitive independence of our students. We have been doing lots and lots of sessions based on the needs.
You can't replace that human connection. You guys are in the driver's seat. You make the decisions. If you decide not to use AI with your lesson planning, not to use AI to create materials, that's your choice.
It's a great supplemental tool that students can use at home in their native language in a way that best fits their learning style.
Yeah, I see the potential of AI as a tool for teachers to redesign their task, to save on lesson planning, but I don't see a lot of potential for students, unfortunately. So I think that generally cognitive skills in our students are declining, especially the literacy, thinking skills, critical thinking. So it might come in handy for those who really know how to use it, but generally I would be against mass use of AI in schools. I have 30 years of experience, and I noticed that our students cannot read, cannot process information, they cannot extract the main information. They are struggling with it.
I hope AI opens up a big world. However, it cannot be done, like I said, without the human touch. We still are human beings, and we still have brains, and we are the educators. Technology is not going to replace people.
We need these companies, right, to basically create tools that support the local and the city diverse populations we have. And so we just continue to raise our voices and say, we need this, we need this, we need that, so that they could continue to shape. I think with Microsoft, we kind of saw how we wanted, we needed more support, flashcards, vocabulary instruction for early learners and for English learners and for students with special needs. And they created that teach module, which they probably were already doing. It's not about the company. I think it's about who's going to provide the tools that are going to support the learners.